Jamaica.
Right, Auntie.
Welcome to Jamaica.
Girl, you got perfect legs.
Oh, thank you.
Big up World Boss Jamaica tour.
Welcome to my channel, Brown Boss Jamaica Tours. Yes, my people, so I'm back at it again with another video. In this video, I'm going to showcase the spectacular Freeport Peninsula right here in Montego Bay, Jamaica. Yes, guys, you're in for a treat today as I'll be showing you this area for the first time as per request from one of my subscribers. Alright, so I'm going to start here from the Bay Road section leading up to the port handlers. You know, if you send barrels and shipping containers and so on, you will pick them up at that end. And this end is also where Ship Terminal Bird 2 is at. As you can see, there is 2 cruise ships right now at the port today. Yeah, you can see that the tourism sector is slowly coming back, but let's see what happens as this new year 2026 progresses. Alright, so as you all would have known by now, we had just gone through an historic Category 5 Hurricane Melissa over 2 months ago, and it disrupted almost all services here at this end of the island, primarily the western and southwestern regions. So I'm going to show you right now what the Freeport Peninsula is looking like and the areas that were impacted the most. So I'm going to go over the resorts, marinas, rental properties, Airbnbs, and so much more. So stay tuned, guys. A whole lot to be shown. The Freeport Peninsula in Montego Bay, Jamaica is a sought-after waterfront area known for its serene beauty, luxury resorts, marina, and proximity to the Montego Bay Marine Park. It offers stunning sea views, shopping at the Freeport Shopping Center, local crafts, dining, and tranquil retreats for visitors. Located at the tip of the peninsula is the Montego Bay Yacht Club, a popular spot while cruise ship visitors often visit the nearby shopping center for authentic Jamaican goods and food. Alright, so let's continue the flight right now. I'm gonna go even deeper into the Freeport Peninsula so that you can see more of the resorts, Airbnbs, marinas, rental properties. So stay tuned, guys. I have a whole lot to be shown. And now I'm going to take you into Calypso Drive so that you can see the impacts left behind by the historic Hurricane Melissa. Yeah, you can see that most of the roofs are intact, but you can see that some have been blown off because of the disruptive winds of this historic hurricane. Yeah, let me know what you think in the comment section below. Yeah, most of the infrastructure here seems to be like very sturdy. Kudos to the developers. But yeah, as we fly further, you can see that a number of the roofs have been taken off. Yeah, so a whole lot of work is needed to get this place back to some sort of normalcy. All right, and as the video progresses and we go further and I display the resorts, you will see what I'm talking about. You will definitely see like construction going on right now. And I do have some information to share with you guys as it relates to some of the resorts at this end of the island. All right, so stay tuned for that part. If you have not subscribed yet to my channel, now is the time to do so. Subscribe to my channel, Brown Boss Jamaica Tours, so that you can get videos like these, and select all on the notification bell so that you can get all the updates as soon as I post them. All right, my people, so let's continue the flight right now. I'm going to go over the other side, which is the 22 Freeport area, show you what happened at this end. But based on what I'm seeing right now, they have received little to no damage. So these buildings were built to withstand a Category 5 hurricane. So I must say kudos to the developers. We definitely need more of these buildings here in Jamaica, buildings to withstand a Category 5 hurricane. And based on the impacts of global warming, it adds more heat content to the water bodies on the planet, in our case near the equator, over warm waters. And it is not only at the surface but below as well. The water is extremely warm. This can eventually produce even stronger hurricanes in the future. Let us hope that this does not become a reality. Important notice: Secret St. James Montego Bay and Breathless Montego Bay Resorts and Spa have suspended normal hotel operations due to the impact of Hurricane Melissa and is expected to resume normal hotel operations on Monday, November 2nd, 2026. Guests and members with impacted reservations will have the opportunity to have their stays honored at certain Hyatt Inclusive Collection resorts in destinations such as Mexican Caribbean, the Dominican Republic, Aruba, Costa Rica, Curacao, or St. Lucia. Additionally, guests who wish to cancel their reservation may do so without penalty. Thank you for staying with me up to this point. Yes, my people, so as I fly over the Secret Montego Bay area, you can see that major reconstruction is going on right now. You can see some very large equipment. There is a large crane right on the premises. There are also men on the roof, reconstructing the roof as well. So a whole lot is being done right now, guys. But as you know, they just give you like a far off date, November 2026. Yeah, let's hope that this can be reopened at a much earlier date. Yeah, because we need the tourism sector to be up and running, guys. Trust me. A lot of people are out of jobs right now, so they need this resort to be back in operations as soon as possible. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. What do you think can be done to speed up the process? Yeah, please share your thoughts below. Please let me know in the comment section below what you think about the overall tour so far. Yeah, let's have a discussion about this, guys. So I'm going to take you on Sunset Drive right now so that you can see the resorts, apartments, and so on at this end. Yeah, this is where you can find the Sea Wind Beach Club, Sunset Beach. Also have Solil Residences, Bay Point Apartments, the Montego Bay Yacht Club, and so much more. Alright, so sit back, relax, and enjoy this tour, guys.
to the city streets, we began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young, and it's just begun, as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon, we lay awake in bed. The laughs so loud as the hours pass, we're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be, we're gonna be two hearts running wild. The moonlight, summer sky, it was a day